What's up guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I will show you how to transfer or send crypto from Coinbase wallet to Binance. So if you're looking for a way to make your transaction here, well, this one is going to be fairly easy. Now since we want to transfer to our Binance account, what we need to do first is we want to go to Binance.com, log into your account, and just click on deposit at the top right of your screen. Now from here, since we want to transfer crypto or our assets here, just go and click on deposit crypto. Now you can go and choose the currency or whatever coin you want to transfer. So for example, maybe I want to transfer ETH. Just click on ETH or search for it. You want to go and choose your network. So by the way, your network is going to be something really important. So usually it uses the ERC20 network here. But then again, if you use a different network, make sure to remember that. But once you have it, just click on the copy button here. And once you've done that, let's go and head over into Coinbase. Now here in Coinbase, what we need to do is we just need to log in into our account. Now usually at the right side, you have send, receive, deposit cash, and withdraw cash. In this case, since we want to transfer from Coinbase to Binance, we want to go and choose the send crypto option. Now from here, it's going to ask you which wallet you want to use. Go and choose that one. And from here, you should be able to see or basically select your whichever crypto you want to transfer. So in this case, you want to go and select or search for ETH in here. But if you have like a verified Coinbase account, usually this is what you'll be seeing once you select ETH. Now, in this case, you can go and click on destination here. You can go ahead and select or enter the address that we just copied, and also make sure that you select the correct network here. But typically speaking, you just need to indicate the amount. You can go ahead and click on use max amount as well if you want to do that. But you can go and click on preview withdrawal at the very bottom here and just review a few things. That includes the network fees. But in this case, once you approve that, it just takes a few seconds or a few minutes for your transaction to complete. But in this case, that's about it. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.